Hi everyone! In today's video, we will explore a cool idea, cooking with light. Yes, light. It might sound futuristic, but using light to prepare meals could make cooking faster, healthier, and more energy efficient. Let's dive into how it works and what it could mean for our future kitchens. First, let's talk about regular cooking. We use heat to cook food, which changes its flavor and texture. This heat comes from stoves, ovens, or microwaves and travels through the food by conduction, convection, or radiation. But cooking with light is different. Instead of heating the air around the food, we use specific types of light, like infrared or even visible light, to target the food directly. This can make cooking more efficient and preserve nutrients better than regular cooking. One way to cook with light is by using infrared light. This type of light is invisible to us, but it can generate heat. Infrared grills already exist, and they cook food faster and more evenly by heating it directly, not the air around it. Plus, it keeps the food moist, which is great for grilling meat or roasting vegetables. Another type of light we can use is ultraviolet light, which is good at killing germs. While UV light doesn't cook food, it can sterilize it, making it safer to eat. Imagine preserving food with just light instead of chemicals. This could help keep food fresh longer, especially in areas where food storage is difficult. Next is visible light, the light we see. Scientists are exploring how visible light could be used for cooking by focusing it on food in a controlled way. In the future, we might be able to laser cook food with incredible precision, grilling or browning food without overcooking it. It's still a new idea, but it's something to keep an eye on. Let's get a bit technical. Photonic crystals can control light very precisely. By using these, we could direct light energy into food in a very controlled way. This could allow for perfect cooking at a molecular level, meaning your food would be cooked evenly while keeping all its nutrients and flavors intact. Cooking with light has a lot of benefits. It's faster, more energy efficient, and can keep food healthier by preserving more of its nutrients. Unlike traditional methods that can break down essential vitamins or damage delicate fibers, light-based cooking methods allow for gentler cooking, keeping food's natural texture and nutritional value intact. But there are also challenges. The technology needs to be safe for home kitchens, and it's still in development. It's exciting, but we have some hurdles to overcome before it's in our homes. In the future, we might have light ovens that use different kinds of light to cook food perfectly. You could even adjust the light to cook specific food. It's a cool idea that could change how we cook every day. Thank you for watching. Cooking with light may sound like something from science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you think. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science and technology videos. See you next time. Bye.